Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Zahid and you're watching HAQQUN UK. I hope you are all doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Guys, today in this video, I'm going to share with you a simple trick that you can use in your YouTube videos to make your channel discoverable easily on YouTube search. Not only that, but also you will be able to trace easily who is using your channel name and tag in their videos. So guys, before I go further in this video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification. So guys, why someone would like to use my channel name and tag? The reason is simple: to get more views and traffic. Basically, on the search tab, when you type your channel name, you should see all your videos appearing. But if you see other people's channel and videos appear at the same time, that means that person is using your tag and channel name somewhere in the title, description, or tag section of their videos. I will give you a quick demonstration of what I mean. When I type my channel name on the search tab and press enter, my channel pop up first on the list. But when I scroll down the list, I can see that there are some videos which are not mine which pop up as well. So why things are like this? Why other people's channels and videos appear when I type my channel ID? So I will take one of the videos and I will analyze the description section and will show you why is it so. So let's see this video. When I scroll down the description section, you can see, look, this is HAQQUN UK. So this man has used my channel name on the description section, right, to attract my subscribers to his videos. Let's analyze another one. See, same things happen. HAQQUN UK appear, and the descriptions look mostly like tag stuffing. It's not really a description, it's just a block of text which YouTube don't agree with this. It's written clearly in the policy. This is tag stuffing, and YouTube can even penalize your channel and even close your channel for those who do this. So guys, now I will share with you the trick which I use personally to make my channel discoverable and pop up first on the list, and as well to discover who are those who are using my tag in the title, description, or even tag section. So it's simple. I'll open one of my videos. In the description section, down below, the last two lines, I written HAQQUN UK. So my channel ID, all in caps and in small letter, without any space. So you guys as well, you can do the same thing. You write your channel name without any space in the last two lines of your description section, without any space. So guys, YouTube algorithm, to be noted, is very complex, and not just complex but intuitive as well. Don't try to trick the YouTube search to get more traffic or views. YouTube will definitely know this. If I can know this, now imagine YouTube. They have even started implementing some sorts of artificial intelligence in their algorithm. So don't try to do this, and if you are doing this, you should abstain from doing this, and wherever you have done it, you should remove it. That's the advice I give you. If you define your meta tag properly and you do the tricks which I've shown you for a long time, like uploading videos, like 20-25 videos, doing this, then YouTube will index your channel. That means YouTube will know your channel when you are typing your channel, and this pop up first on the list. So that's the simple trick which I want to share with you guys. Hope you like it. So don't forget to write your channel ID on the last two lines in the description section without any space. If you have enjoyed the videos, don't forget to hit the like button, and see you next time guys. Take care. Thank you very much.